So that could be a complicating factor, as we've been talking about for days, for our our debut and our ongoing coverage out of the Barbasol tournament.
Indeed. All right, Tom, thank you. Used car prices are going up, and how you can get $10 to spend on Amazon Prime Day. Jane King has these stories and more. It's today's Business Report.
Used car prices have reached their highest level in 8 months. There's big demand for used cars. It drove prices higher in the last 2 weeks of June. Manheim's Used Vehicle Index says prices usually soften into the summer, but they haven't so far. Now, the average price of a used car is just over $19,000, according to Edmunds. Whole Foods Market is celebrating Amazon Prime Day with special offers running in the stores through July 17th. Prime members who spend $10 starting today through the 17th will get a $10 credit to use online on Amazon Prime Day, which kicks off on the 16th. You can get the offer by scanning the Prime code in the Whole Foods or Amazon app at checkout. Well, Groupon is reportedly looking for a buyer. BizJournal says several of the company's buyers have contacted potentially interested purchasers. In recent months, Google made an offer to buy Groupon years ago for $6 billion, but Groupon turned that down. It's now estimated to be worth about half that. And we're going to have to wait a year longer before we see Harrison Ford as Indiana Jones on the big screen again, while Disney Studios announced the still untitled return to his famed Indiana Jones character will be delayed from July 2020 to July 2021. And Ford will turn 79 the week of the movie's new release. From the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, I'm Jane King with your business update.
Jane King, thanks so much. Let's take a look and see how stocks are performing at this noon hour. Christopher, you got your stocks pulled up? Well, never mind. Here they are. Dow Jones Industrial are down 180 points right now to sit at 24,739. NASDAQ Composite also down 47 points to sit at 7711. The Trump administration takes another swipe at Obamacare. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services reports it will provide $10 million for the Affordable Care Act's Navigator program this fall. In 2016, the Navigators received $63 million. The agency defends the trimmed budget by saying the Navigators are ineffective. The CMS is reporting that Navigators only produced 1% of the consumers who signed up to get coverage this year. Critics of the president say Americans need as much information and access to health care, and this move will do the opposite. Open enrollment for Obamacare starts in November. Today is, of course, July 11th, and that means 7-Eleven celebrating its 91st anniversary. Customers across the nation can enjoy a free small Slurpee drink today. This year, 7-Eleven has a new featured flavor called Cap'n Crunch's Crunch Berries. The berry flavor is only available for a limited time. Customers can pick up their favorite Slurpee drink at participating 7-Eleven stores nationwide from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. while supplies last. Now, the company plans to give away an estimated 9 million free Slurpees today. Facebook is rolling out a new kind of advertising. The social media giant will begin testing augmented reality ads in news feeds. Sephora, Michael Kors, Wayfair, and Pottery Barn will be among the companies using the new interactive advertising. Facebook's new AR ads will allow people to try out digital versions of products using their smartphone's camera. American Airlines joining the ranks of major companies getting rid of plastic straws. The airline is reporting it will stop serving drinks with plastic straws and stirrers on board flights and in airport lounges. Starting this month, American will phase out plastic utensils at airport lounges, opting for eco-friendly alternatives. In November, the airline will begin serving passengers biodegradable straws and stir sticks made from bamboo. Earlier this week, Starbucks announced it planned to eliminate plastic straws at all of its locations worldwide by the year 2020. Newly licensed teen drivers have the highest risk for being in an accident, according to a new study from the National Institutes of Health. It showed teens were 8 times more likely to be in a crash within 3 months of getting that license compared to the previous 3 months on a learner's permit. They were also more likely to take unnecessary risk while driving. Experts suggest a more gradual decrease in adult supervision might be a good idea. And kids who are physically coordinated may do better in school. Researchers in the UK assessed the eye-hand coordination of over 300 elementary-age children. Kids who were more coordinated tend to have higher scores in reading, writing, and math than their more clumsy peers. Chris?
What is your favorite color? Investigators have now found what they believe is the oldest color. We'll tell you what it is.